What does FPV mean to you? To us, it means freedom, a way to relax, a way to sit down when you've had a horrible, horrible day. Get your controller out, get your quad out, and just let rip. It's been such a hard year, and our heads have been so sore with worry. When you get to sit down on a crisp sunny day, it's a chance to unwind and forget about life's hardships. Every time I'm feeling down, bad day at work, issues at home, whatever it may be, you spend time out in the field with your drone and just let rip, because for those 7 minutes that you've got on your lipo, for us it's just 7 minutes of pure bliss. When you manage to do a loop over a tree or go through a small hole or anything like that, it's that sense of achievement. Every time we're on our drones, we're pushing the limits. Every single time we're pushing the limits. My confidence is growing every time. This is why we love FPV.
Okay, you gotta support Daddy. Hit the like button for him. Also hit the bell and hit that thing, the red thing, you know about. Make him follow him, make him see, and make sure and give him a hug and make him the best daddy ever.